Okay, I got the rear master cylinder replaced and the rear wheel back on the bike. Everything looks good. Give it a little spin test. Spins nice and smooth, no drag. It was dragging badly down in this area. I think that there was a washer misplaced, and it's really nice and loose now, so I'm just thrilled with the way it spins. That's new wheel bearings also, so I put in new wheel bearings. The old ones were really growly, and it spins real nice. Here's a close-up of the new master cylinder nestled down in there. It's beautiful, very nice. I can't bleed it right now, load it and bleed it, because this is the S pipe that connects the master cylinder to the caliper. It goes in right here like this, and it broke when I unscrewed this fitting. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Right there, it snapped right by the nut. So I'm going to order a new one. That's the brake. It's jammed up pretty good. So I'll order a new S pipe and install it on the caliper and then bleed the system, and that'll take care of the rear brakes. With the washers and spacers put in correctly, I now have a gap on both sides of the caliper. Before, the caliper was rubbing up against the right hand side there, actually touching it. Now it's spaced a little bit better. I could put a small spacer underneath the caliper mount right in here, and that would move the caliper over another billionth of an inch, but frankly it's not really necessary because there is a gap and the pucks float and we'll take that up just fine. And I don't like to change the design of a braking system, just basically for liability purposes. So the rear of the bike is complete, pending bleeding the rear brake system, and I'll do that as soon as I get the S pipe. So the rear of the bike is looking good. Okay, today I'm going to go ahead and take the carburetors off, clean them, and install the new electronic ignition system and rectifier, which I had ordered and have arrived. So I'll put those in and do the carbs today, and that ought to be enough for one day. And that is all.